Baba about it. If you don't love Alden, you should not get married. You know, Cindy, love is not a game. You should be sure about it.
Yes, but we can always get divorced.
Divorce? No. No, 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 no. No. That's not how it should be. We don't believe in divorce. Marriage is sacred. It's a promise to love each other forever.
But I have to do it for my family's business. If I will not do it, we will go bankrupt.
Bankrupt mo!
Bumalik. Oh!
Ang tindi na sa lawal mo.
Gumagawa na pala ng polo yung Godiva, oh. Tsaka yung Swarovski. Gumagawa na ng pantalon.
Ano ba yung pantalon
natin?
Crystal lang ang ginagawa dyan, ah.
Parang Jaworski yung basa ko doon sa pantalon.
Hello? Lola?
Lola.
Celia, are you there?
It's open.
Hi, guys.
Hi. Hey, Frankie.
Hi.
Hello, Frankie.
Hi, Lola. Hi, Lola. Yeah. This is my promise.
You are so sweet.
Oh.
You make isaw and then you make sausaw. Isaw-saw.
Oh, how? Very sweet. Isaw with langgam, ha?
Yes, very sweet. Dinagdagan ko na ng arnibal yan.
He's so sweet talaga.
And
Langgam.
a flower for you.
You're so cute.
I know. I'm cute. We're Lola. Cindy and I, we are good friends.
Hello.
I'm sorry, I forgot the bless.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey, my
Sorry.
hair! Don't
Sorry.
touch my hair,
Sorry,
Lola.
sorry.
Hi, yeah, so sad. We're good friends.
Oh,
And you know naman, we're Filipino, are very hospitable. We go to hospital last day.
Ano sakitin mo?
And I want to you enjoy stay here in the Philippines. You like it?
It's too late to start pretending. It's too late for a new beginning. Later than the sunset, later than the rain.
You like it? Yes. I know it's too late.
You tell us about your get-up.
You like my
Oh,
get-up?
OTD first.
Yeah.
It's excellent.
Excellent, right?
He likes it.
Excellent. Look at my pants.
This halawal is Swarovski.
Yeah, it's Robert.
Jaworski yan.
Gumagawa na pala ng pantalon yung
Jaworski yun.
And I'm so sweet, that's why I'm wearing a
Godiva.
Godiva shirt, ha? Bago yan.
and of course,
Lamborghini.
you like it?
Yes, of course.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. That's my promise to you, isaw and flowers. You love eat balot, right?
Where's the balot?
Last night, you eat balot. Right? I give you my balot, di ba?
Yes, of course.
I buy balot in
What kind
Jimmy's.
of balot yan?
Balot sa bakal.
Oh, okay.
So nice. I like it. Thank you.
You like it?
Hindi na orient.
Orient sa balot.
Hindi na orient.
Lola,
Yeah.
How are you? Yaya, how are you?
We're good.
We're good.
We're
We're
just
fine.
having fun.
Yaya, di ba isaw is your favorite then?
Oh, pinaalala pa. Oh.
You can eat isaw, Yaya, if you want.
Yeah.
Kain kayo.
Kakawin to isaw. You taste it. It's good.
Favorite mo yan.
Oo.
Gusto mo gawin natin parang aeroplano yung isa.
Matutusok naman, Lola, yung bibig ng bata. I buy it in Isla.
Isla?
Oo. Isla Putimba to. Hey, what's up?
Sino yun? Pupunta dito, ate? Sino pupunta dito, ate?
Ayan, oh.
Abot.
Ang pag-ibig na hiningan, puso ay nalumbay ng kahit tagal. Ngunit ngayon nandito na ikaw.
Nang dahil sa pag-ibig, sunod-sunuran ako sa lahat ng gusto mo. Nang dahil sa pag-ibig, umiiyak ngayon ang puso ko.
Tanging ikaw lamang ang aking ibigin.
All I ask is just a little honesty. Though I know that you're not coming back to me.
You were just a dream that I once knew. Never thought I would be left for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world.
Sa isip ko'y yakap ka pa. Sa isip ko'y walang iba mananatiling.
Kung inakala mo ang pag-ibig ko'y mababago, itagal mo sa bato.
Kunin mo na ang lahat sa akin. Huwag lang ang aking mahal.
Tidora, nauuhaw yata ako.
Oh.
Kausapin mo naman ako.
Ate, nasabi ko na lahat.
Ang labo naman.
Ako pa ngayon ang malabo? Ako pa? Nilinaw ko na nga sa'yo lahat kahapon, tapos ako pa ngayon yung malabo. Parang hindi ka na mahirapan, di ba? Lola mo na lang yung piliin mo, Alden.
Yun ba talaga yung problema?
Kung ano yung sinabi ko, yun na yun.
O yung kagustuhan mo mag-aral ulit?
Sandali, ha? Baka mabigwasan ako rito.
Ate, tumabi ka kaya.
Alden, Yaya, nakukuha naman ang lahat sa magandang usapan. Huwag ganyan kayo.
Excuse me, sorry, Alden. Hi, hello. You know, I don't want fight, okay?